Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lady J, back at it again with another video. If you're new here, I'm just gonna need you to subscribe to your girl so you can join the family, and also give me a big thumbs up on this video because it does help me and my channel out a whole lot. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair that's in my head that I received from the company Slovehair. This hair literally is perfect for the time of the season that we're in right now. It literally just screams vacation, beach, summer vibes, and it's literally perfect, and it's literally one of the best curly wigs that I've had. Like, look how flawlessly it's melted, and look how wonderful this freaking curl pattern is, along with the little highlights that's in the front. If you're interested in seeing how I installed this hair that I got from Slovehair, just make sure you keep on watching. Also remember, all of the links will be down in the description if you want to purchase the hair that I'm wearing or purchase any hair from the company. As you guys can see, I do have my bonnet on, so that means we are going to be installing a wig. The company Slovehair was nice enough to send me a wig to show you guys. Excuse my nose too, guys, because it's like a maintenance week, so we maintain it. The company Slovehair was nice enough to send me a wig to show you guys. They sent me a 16-inch wet and wavy bob 13x4 lace frontal wig. The wig is in the color natural black with a honey blonde patch in the front, which I love. The wig is 200% density, and literally as soon as I pull out the wig, I notice how thick and full this wig is. And it's because it's 200% densities, y'all, and we love a thick curly wig. The next thing that I noticed about this wig is that the lace matches perfectly, guys. They gave me some razors, so I'm able to cut off the lace. Also comes with some bobby pins, and it also does come with this beautiful wig. It took about 2 to 3 days for my wig to get to me after they started processing the order, and we love that because once we order a wig, we want it to come 2.5 so we can be able to put on. Yeah, I just got finished bleaching the knots and also plucked the hairline, and I also did wash the beginning patch with some shimmer lights, and I just did that to take the brightness out of the wig. I don't like that orangey golden kind of look. I want it to actually look blonde. So here's the wig after I bleached the knots and everything. It literally is the best. I can't wait to put it on. We already have our whole cap situation situated, so I'm about to just start putting on the hair.